Hey everybody, Ashley here. I am coming to you from my office. It is Casual Wednesday here. I am working from home today, and I have come up with a great challenge for our team so we can front load our months in October, November, and December. For those of you who haven't been around for a holiday season with Stella and Dot, as you might be aware, the holiday time is our busiest season. Q4 is actually when retailers usually make about 60% of their profits. So we are going to be booking and holding trunk shows and selling like crazy this month. So before I share the challenge with you, I just want to share a few tips that help me when working out my trunk show schedule. Now, in October, November, or December, you might add a few more trunk shows than you normally would to your calendar, just because the demand is going to be there for trunk shows. People need to shop, and don't you think people want to shop mall-free with a cocktail in their hand and be getting great personal service? I know I am all for avoiding the mall, so just be aware that you might have a little more demand on your time for trunk shows, which is a great problem to have. So if you normally do 2 trunk shows, you might want to consider upping that by 3 or 4 to do 3 or 4 a month. That could be an extra $250 to $500 in profits in your pocket, and who wouldn't like an extra $500 a month? I know it's my goal this fall to pay our Christmas cash only, so I'm adding some extra trunk shows to my calendar, so we are able to do that. So first, what I suggest you do is I would identify all the dates in your calendar that you have available, and what I do in our Stella and Dot calendar is you'll see I circle those dates. I identify those as dates I for sure want to have trunk shows. I want to find somebody to host a trunk show that day. And then you can see some of them, but what I do is I then get a post-it once I've booked a show, and I put her name on there and the time. And what that lets me do is, the reason I like it on a post-it is because if they change or cancel or reschedule, I can then move it around just a little bit easier. So I think identifying the dates you want to hold trunk shows in your calendar is just a really good mental and visual reminder of, oh yeah, I have the 4th open. I haven't booked a trunk show for that date. I would really like to. So that's a good reminder to me when I'm looking at my calendar that I maybe need to make some booking calls and get some trunk shows booked. Okay, so down to the good stuff. What is the challenge? So really what's so important in Stella and Dot is really front loading. It kind of takes that pressure off every month, and when you know you have done trunk shows the 1st through the 15th of the month, maybe you qualified or even hit 1500 PCV to get your extra 5%, this will really let you kind of rest with ease. So it's a challenge I'm giving myself, but I'm giving it to you, and you are going to get rewarded with prizes. So we're going to do this October, November, and December, but we're going to focus on October today. So for every trunk show you have booked between the 1st and the 15th, you are going to post that in our Facebook group starting today. If you have trunk shows booked already, you can write in our Facebook group, just the dates, and you're going to get a post-it on my wall. We're calling this the Post-it Challenge. As you can see, I've taken something down, and the wall is now blank, so it needs to be filled with Post-its. So I will write your name and the date of the trunk show, and for every trunk show that you book in the first 15 days of the month is going to get you an entry into $50 to the new holiday line. I get to see the holiday line this weekend at Fire Up Your Fall, and I know we are all going to want everything. So who wouldn't want an extra $50 to spend towards their samples? So, moral of the story is, get a list out, hold a booking blitz, find a partner in our Facebook group. I'll blitz with you. If you live here in town, we can get together and do it together. That's a lot of fun. Book some trunk shows for those first 15 days. Put it in the Facebook group. The more trunk shows you have, the more entries you'll get towards the $50 from the new line. If you have any questions, write in our Facebook group or email me. I hope you guys are excited about the fall and ready for an incredible holiday season. Bye!